Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati. I make videos related to makeup, travel, home remedies, DIY, everything which I love. And today's video is inspired by Kareena Kapoor. She is wearing this look in the movie Veere the Wedding, and this is her wedding look. And I really like this look. This is really natural and pretty look. So let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. First, I'm using this Vaseline petroleum jelly to moisturize my lip because we are going to wear some matte liquid lipstick. And after that, I'm using this Body Shop oil to get that bridal glow within. Then I'm using this Benefits Professional primer, and I'm using this on my T-zone area basically, so it will minimize my pores and give me a smooth skin so I can work my way on this. Then I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply this on the problematic area wherever I have pigmentation and dark spots, and I'm blending this with a flat brush from Real Technique. Then I'm using this Makeup Revolution's banana powder, and I'm just applying this on wherever I have applied that concealer. This will make sure when I apply my foundation, my concealer will not move. Then I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm just dotting this on my face and taking this down on my neck, and then I'll use a damp beauty blender and blend this foundation, and this foundation will give me very pretty glow also because this is a little bit dewy finish. To get a really skin like look, you just have to blend your foundation really well. Then I'm using this Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to highlight with this under my eye area, forehead, my nose, and my cupid's bow and chin. This will give me a more brighter look under my eye area. I'm going to blend this concealer with the same beauty blender, and after blending you can see the difference, how much it gave brightness to my face. Then I'm using the same banana powder, and I'm just baking under my eye area and wherever I have applied that concealer. This will make sure we don't get any creasing under eye area. Then I'm using this Anastasia brow pomade for filling my brows. Kareena has really full brows. For this, for more precise look, I will just highlight my brow bone area with this concealer, and I'm just going to blend this concealer and take it down till my lid area, This will also act like a eyeshadow base, and then I'm using a cream eyeshadow to just blend this concealer so it will not crease. And after that I'm using a black kohl pencil and just I'm going to line a really thick line on my lid area, and I'll just smudge that. And you just have to really smudge that. You don't have to be so precise, because we are just going to do a process like applying eyeshadow and smudging and applying and smudging. So yeah. So Karina has really blend out eyeshadow on her lid area. So I'm using this really light brown eyeshadow, and I'm just putting this as my transition color. Then I'm using a really dark eyeshadow, and actually this is not an eyeshadow, it is a bronzer, and I'm just packing this on my lid area. And you just have to pack the eyeshadow and blend, then reapply the eyeshadow and blend. For this look, the blending is the key, so you just have to reapply the eyeshadow and then I'm using this white color, matte white eyeshadow. Karina has really matte brow bone area, so I'm using a matte shade for highlighting my brow bone area, and you just have to apply and blend. Then I'm using that same kohl pencil and tightlining my eyes, and I'm using a black eyeshadow to just smudge that liner under my lower lash line. Then just remove your baking, and after removing baking I'm just using a face powder from Maybelline and mattifying my whole face. Also keep in mind that you should blend your contour really well, because Karina is looking really natural in this look, so we don't want look really harsh on our contouring. And I'm just taking a really small blending brush and carving my nose area also, because she has really slim nose and I have really big nose. Then I'm using a brown lip liner and lining my lips, and then I'm using Huda Beauty lipstick. I will mention all the shades and name in the description box, so check that out. And this lipstick was looking really brown on me, and Karina was wearing a movie tone lipstick, so I reapplied a Studio West lipstick. And as I mentioned, I will link all the products and name in the description box, so please do check that out. Then I'm using this Maybelline mascara because Karina is, I think, not wearing any false lashes because her look was really natural. So you just have to apply a really good coat of mascara, and after that I'm just taking my red lipstick and mapping out a centered dot for my Sindoor bindi, and I'll just put a bindi as like Karina. And you just have to spray your whole face to set your makeup, and the makeup is complete, and let's just move towards our hairstyle. So for the hairstyle, I just center parted my hair, and I divided these hair into two section, ear to ear section, and rest of hair I'll make a bun off out of them. So I have a separate video on how to make bun, so I will link that in the description box and also in upper eye button. And after making that bun, just have to take 3 strands, and every time we braid our braid, we just have to take a little section from each side. It's just like a French braid, and leave 2-3 strands in front as Karina. Now you just have to tug your hair from this braid, so it will make your braid look like more fuller, and you can see what I'm trying to say. Then just wear your jewelry and curl your front strands as Karina's, and you just need a white dupatta, and use a white dupatta and put that on your bun at the back, and voila. So this completes our look, and I hope you really like this video, and if you did, then please do hit that like button. This will motivate me more, and if you want to see more these kind of videos celebrity inspired, just let me know in the comments below section so I can create more. And thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye.